I don't have a sweet tooth, so I don't really need any sweets. But once in a while, especially in the afternoon, around 3-4 p.m., I get cravings for something sweet. So this is what I do. I eat dark chocolate. Usually dark chocolate with cacao 88% or higher. So this is 92% and sugar is only 2 grams per serving. So it's not sweet at all, but I like it. Another thing is date. I love dates and stuffed with almonds. Whew, the chewy texture of date and also crunchiness from almond makes a perfect sweet for me. I love it. I love the taste of it. It's enough sweet, but also it's so fresh. And I love the fresh taste of it too. So try that. Lots of health benefit. And another thing is that I really want to start thinking about what you put on your body. Because as much as putting something on your skin is important, put inside of your body is important too. So try these recipes and the sweetness to satisfy your sweet tooth and see what happens.